From Red Zone Weather in Bruton, Alabama, with meteorologist Spinks Meganson. Severe weather coverage starts right now.
Got a tornado warning until 6 a.m. for parts of Escambia and Santa Rosa counties in northwest Florida. Possible tornado is out here on the north side of the Pensacola metro area, moving to the north. This possible tornado is going to be near parts of Santa Rosa County in a matter of moments. Good morning. I'm meteorologist Spinks Meganson. Thanks for being with us this morning. Possible tornado is exiting the Pensacola metro and is approaching areas out here near 5 Points and areas near Chumuckla over the next few minutes. This tornado warning polygon is in effect until 6 a.m. local time. I hope you're having a nice morning. This is a possible tornado out here on the north side of the Pensacola metro area, and this is going to be a situation where we have a tornado warning that's in effect until 6 a.m., meaning you've got to take action to protect yourself, as we could have a tornado approaching areas near 5 Points on the north side of Pace in the next few minutes. So again, this tornado warning is predominantly for Santa Rosa County, but this also does include part of Escambia County in northwest Florida. And so first thing we need to do is tell you exactly who is involved in this tornado warning. And again, this is going to be until 6 a.m. local time. So let's zoom out just a bit and show you the polygon first. And again, for folks that may be joining us from the Pensacola metro, this is predominantly a deal on the north side of town. And so possible tornado is going to be right in through here, out here over this marshland really, that's just to the west of Pace. If you're familiar with this area, you have the causeway that connects Pace and Pensacola, and the possible tornado is going to be out here in that marshland just to the west of Pace, moving to the north. And so quickly this is going to be an issue for areas near Woodbine Road and also areas near the Chumuckla Highway right in through here. But if you're in downtown Pensacola, you are not involved in this tornado warning. The tornado is on the north side of town, and really this is exiting out of Pensacola. Pace, 5 Points, Chumuckla, areas near Molino, Gonzales, also Allentown involved in this tornado warning. Let's zoom in. Let's make sure that Allentown is involved, because this is going to be one of those situations where it's real close. Again, Chumuckla is definitely in. So if you're at Chumuckla, this is a call to action for you, and you need to be taking shelter. Possible tornado is out here, moving north. Wallace, Florida, not Wallace, Alabama, is involved in this tornado warning, and you certainly need to be in your tornado safe place if you are in the community of Wallace in Santa Rosa County, Florida. Again, 5:27 a.m. on this Wednesday, and tracking a possible tornado on the north side coming out of the Pensacola metro, moving to the north. And there's your big blob of reflectivity right in through here. Tornado is going to be on the south side of this higher area of reflectivity. Let's see if we can go over to the velocity view. And I'll be honest with you, that is kind of a broadened out signature compared to what this was even a few minutes ago. But as we always do, we need to respect this tornado warning polygon, and we would encourage everyone in Pace, 5 Points, and Chumuckla to be in a safe place right now, as we have a possible tornado right in through here, moving off to the north. And again, this is predominantly an issue for Santa Rosa County, and really areas just to the east of the Escambia River, right in through here. And so again, north side of the Pensacola metro, if you're on the campus of the University of West Florida, we would tell you to be in a safe place just for the next few minutes until this clears out to the north. So again, campus of UWF and points north, be in a safe place. 5 Points, Chumuckla, areas near Chumuckla Highway. You've also got Woodbine. Just thinking about this area, if you live near the 5 Points area, which is where you've got the Whataburger, the Publix, the new Circle K gas station points to the north out here towards the soccer fields, near the helicopter practice area there on Chumuckla Highway. Those are the zones involved in this tornado warning, valid until 6 a.m. Current time is 5:29 a.m. So we've got 31 more minutes on this. And if you're in Milton, this has nothing to do with you. Milton is A-OK. No need to take tornado warning precautions at this point at Milton. And let's zoom out and show you the entire region and show you the reflectivity product, because I realize we've got a lot going on in terms of rain and general thunderstorms, but this is a tornado warning in progress for parts of Escambia and Santa Rosa counties. I hear we've got a new warning coming in. This is actually going to be a severe thunderstorm warning, and this is a severe thunderstorm warning that's going to be in effect for Escambia County, Alabama, and also Santa Rosa County. And so what the Weather Service is doing here, in addition to the tornado warning, we now have a new severe thunderstorm warning, which means we could have winds in excess of 70 miles per hour, I should say, with this storm that's down here near Pace, coming into areas near Allentown over the next few minutes. So again, working a tornado warning that has popped up early on this Wednesday. Possible tornado is going to be right in through here on the north side of Pace, very near Woodbine, and also near Chumuckla Highway, right in through here. And again, the Weather Service has opted to issue a new severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Escambia County, Alabama, from basically Bruton and East Bruton back over to Alaflora and Damascus, back down into Santa Rosa County. And so let's see if what they're going to do is replace this tornado warning, because again, this was not a particularly strong tornado signature when they issued this tornado warning about 5 to 10 minutes ago. But again, we're encouraging everyone right now in Pace and Milton to please be in a safe place. And I said Milton, I apologize. Milton is not involved. Again, Pace is involved. Woodbine is involved. Same thing at Allentown. You've also got Chumuckla in this tornado warning polygon. Milton is involved in the severe thunderstorm warning. And so again, severe thunderstorm warning for Milton. Same thing at Munson, Whitfield, Whitingfield, and areas near Jay. Those are the communities involved in this new severe thunderstorm warning that's going to be valid until 6:15 a.m. We'll show you the watch warning map, and again, much of Santa Rosa County now under a severe thunderstorm warning. And so again, possible tornado is going to be on the north side of the Pensacola Metro, and really this has emerged out of there and is going to be just to the west of Pace at this point. Again, this is not, the most impressive tornado signature I've ever seen, but regardless, we want you to stay in a safe place for the next few minutes as we have an area of rotation that has emerged out of Pensacola. Let's watch it, and we'll see what triggered this warning. Again, this is not the most impressive thing I've ever seen on a radar, but again, the Weather Service in their assessment, they chose to go ahead and issue a tornado warning for what it's worth early on this Wednesday. And again, folks near Pace and Chumuckla, it appears, have just been canceled out of the tornado warning. I think that's probably a good call. Yeah, they're canceling the warning. We just got a message. The Weather Service has canceled the tornado warning. And look, this is one of those deals that it gets a little frustrating because it's 5:30 in the morning, and we're not expecting widespread severe weather today, but in their assessment, the Weather Service thought that the rotation on radar was strong enough to go ahead and warrant a tornado warning. And while there was rotation, it wasn't particularly tight, but I think this is a better call in terms of a new warning just coming on the board. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning for Santa Rosa County, Florida, and also Escambia County here in Alabama. At Bruton, Riverview, Dixonville, also areas near Jay, Munson. You've also got areas out here near NAS, Whitingfield, Allentown, Cobbtown, all involved in this new severe thunderstorm warning. And so what they're doing, instead of the tornado warning, they're issuing a severe thunderstorm warning, meaning you may have gusty winds, you may have small lawn items blowing around and things like that, maybe even some small limbs coming down with this storm that's now at Pace and Milton coming out of there to the north. And again, the strongest part of this is clearly on the west side out here towards Pace in the areas that were under the tornado warning. Lots of lightning, lots of thunder, maybe even gusty winds over the next few minutes. But again, the Weather Service has canceled the tornado warning. And so let me be abundantly clear. no matter where you are in Escambia or Santa Rosa counties in Northwest Florida, we will give you a tornado all clear. If you were asleep, you can go back to bed. Possible tornado on the west side of Pace has really weakened at this point. And again, the Weather Service calling this a severe thunderstorm warning. And so let's do this. Let's zoom out a bit and show you the entire region, because today we are going to have numerous showers and thunderstorms. The tornado risk today, obviously, is not zero, but it's rather low. And I think that over the next several hours, the bigger concern is going to be gusty winds and the potential for small hail, maybe even large hail this afternoon in these storms that continue to work their way in from the Gulf of Mexico. So again, low-end tornado risk, particularly back here across West Alabama, and we're going to talk about this in the regularly scheduled morning video that we'll post at 7 a.m. So again, low-end tornado risk later today for parts of West Alabama, and we have an ongoing low-end severe weather risk across the region. But this is just general rain inland this morning across parts of Washington, Clark, Monroe, Choctaw, Washington, Conecuh, and Escambia counties in Alabama. Definitely more lightning, comparatively speaking, in Northwest Florida this morning in this storm that was previously a tornado warned storm in parts of Escambia and Santa Rosa counties in Northwest Florida. Again, let's watch it. Here's your possible tornado earlier, and that has since weakened. And so this storm that never particularly looked robust has now weakened to the point that the Weather Service is comfortable not having a tornado warning in place. And again, they're keeping this severe thunderstorm warning on the board for parts of Santa Rosa County valid until 6:15 a.m. Again, let's show you that. This also does include a part of Escambia County, Alabama as well. Bruton, Riverview, Pollard, Kego, Alaflora, areas near Dixonville in Escambia, Alabama. And then you've got a big chunk of Santa Rosa County, Florida. Jay, Berrydale, Munson, New York, Allentown, NAS Whiting Field, Pace, Milton, involved in the severe thunderstorm warning. And so gusty winds up to let's see what the Weather Service is saying. 60 miles per hour going to be possible with this severe thunderstorm that's working its way northward through Santa Rosa County. So let's zoom in pretty tight, and again, we'll talk you through this for the next few minutes and kind of watch this together just to make sure this thing is not going to ramp back up, and it really does not look like it is. Very heavy rain is the norm right now across Santa Rosa County, Pace, Milton, Whiting Field, Florida State Highway 87, Florida State Highway 89, also U.S. Highway 90, Chumuckla Highway. You've also got areas in here near Chumuckla. Very heavy rain. These storms are loud and proud, producing quite a bit of thunder. 64 strikes of lightning in the last 5 minutes. But again, no imminent tornado concern in this storm any longer. Again, the warning is gone, and again, watching this cell lift to the north. Let's look out over the Gulf, and this is just a band of rain, not particularly impressive, and I really don't see any signs there. This is an area of rotation, but it's rather weak and not, tight, and so we'll have to watch that as it comes north towards Gulf breeze and areas near Pace and Milton. So again, an area of rotation out over the Gulf of Mexico, but that probably won't prompt a tornado warning. It may, it's possible, but weak area of circulation in here about, say, 40 miles offshore, are going to move towards areas near Pensacola Beach and Gulf breeze. We'll see if that strengthens and is able to warrant a tornado warning a bit later for parts of Santa Rosa and Escambia counties in Alabama. Elsewhere across the region, scattered showers continue across Mobile and Baldwin counties. No warnings in effect for Mobile or Baldwin at this point. And again, over the next several hours, we are calling for more rain and thunderstorms to continue moving in from the Gulf of Mexico. However, because we don't have any active tornado warnings, and because I'm going to crank out the regularly scheduled morning video that will debut at 7 a.m., we're going to go to that, and I'll have more updates coming over the next few minutes in the Red Zone Weather app. On behalf of all of us at Red Zone Group LLC, I'm meteorologist Spinks Megginson saying good morning. I do hope you have a good morning, and again, that next video is going to be out at 7 a.m. Hope you have a wonderful Wednesday. I'll see you soon. No more tornado warnings for now.
Be sure to find us across social media, and don't forget to download the free Red Zone Weather app and set up your customized alerts. Please support our Red Zone Weather sponsors who make our coverage possible every single day.